Hello and welcome to phuketpals GED Express Math Screencast. Today's lesson focuses on systems of two equations with two unknowns. Systems of two equations with two unknowns are often needed to represent real-life situations. To solve a system means to find values for the unknowns that make both equations true at the same time. One common way to do this is a technique called linear combination or elimination. The idea of elimination is to multiply one or both equations by a number that will cause one of the variables to be cancelled out when the equations are combined or added. What number is used depends on the equations, and it takes practice to know which one to use. I want to share with you 4 steps to solve a system of equations. First, multiply one or both of the equations by a number chosen because it will eliminate one of the variables. So the goal is to eliminate one of the variable first. Step 2, add the equations. Step 3, solve the equations that results from step 2. Step 4, use the result to find the value of the other variable. Let's apply this one using an example. Solve the system of equations for the following equations. 3x minus y is equals to 13. 5x plus 2y is equals to 18. Okay, I'm going to mark this one as equation 1. And this one as equation 2. Okay, now for step 1, I'm going to choose first which one should I eliminate, x or y. And I chose y. And to easily eliminate y, I'm going to make sure that both of the equation has the same coefficient. And to make them the same, I need to multiply equation 1 by 2. So let's multiply the first equation by 2. 2 times 3x, 6x. 2 times minus y, minus 2y. 2 times 13 is equals to 26. Then copy the second equation. 5x plus 2y is equals to 18. Now, and the next step that I will do is add the equations. So adding the equation, 6x plus 5x, I've got 11x, then minus 2y plus 2y, the answer is 0. So I won't write it anymore because it's 0. 26 plus 18 is equals to 44. Then undo the equation to find the value of x. 11 divided by 11 both sides. So x is equals to 4. Now, since I already have the value of x, so the next step that I should do is to use that result to find the value of the other variable. I'm going to pick either equation 1 or equation 2 to substitute the 4. I'm going to choose equation 2. 5x plus 2y is equal to 18. I'll substitute the 4 to the value of x. So we have 5 times 4 plus 2y is equals to 18. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 2y equals to 18. Then subtracting both sides by minus 20. Minus 20, so we have 2y is equals to minus 2. Now, undoing the multiplication, divided by 2, divided by 2, y now is equals to minus 1. So we have now the two unknown values. Now to check whether our answer is correct, we can substitute the two unknown values to the first equation. So checking, I'm going to write here checking. So I'm going to write the equation first. 3x minus y is equals to 13. 3x is 4, so 3 times 4 minus y is minus 1, so minus 1 is equals to 13. 3 times 4, 12. Okay, again, y is minus 1. So minus times minus plus 1 is equals to 13. So 13 is equals to 13. So the values that we found for x and y are correct. Okay, it's simple. Let's try another example. 3a plus 4b is equals to minus 18. Then the second equation is 2a plus 6b is equals to minus 32. Okay. Step 1. Multiply one or both of the equation by a number chosen because it will eliminate one of the variables. In the last example, it was easiest to eliminate y because to do so, only one of the equation had to be multiplied. Here, it is not obvious that eliminating one variable will be easier than another. If you chose to eliminate the a, then you need to multiply the first equation by 2 and the second by minus 3. One has to be negative so that the a's will cancel when added together. Okay, let's continue. So let's eliminate a. So this one again. Multiply the first equation by 2 and the second equation by minus 3. So by multiplying, we have a new equation. 2 times 3a, 6a plus 8b is equals to minus 36. Then here minus 3, so we have minus 6a minus 18b is equals to 96, positive 96. Okay, then let's combine them, let's add them. Because we can cancel out 6a, then 8 plus minus 18b, we have minus 10b is equals to 36 plus 96, so we have 60. Okay, then undo the multiplication. Minus 10 minus 10, then b is equals to minus 6. Now the next step or the last step is to use the value b to find a. We can use either of the equation 2. Okay, let's use equation 2. 2a plus 6b 2. B is 2A plus times minus 6 is equals to minus 32. Then we have 2A plus, oh, minus 36 is equals to minus. Do the subtraction. So plus 36, we have 2A is equals to 4. Then undo the multiplication, divide 2, divide 2. So A is equals to 2. And it's better to check the answer. So to check the answer, let's use equation 1. So we have 3A plus 4B is equals to minus 18. Let's see if the equations are correct by substituting the values of A and B. So 3 times 2 plus 4 times minus 6 is equals to 18, minus 18. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 4 times minus 6 is minus 24. 6 plus minus 24 is equals to minus 18. Perfect. Okay, it's correct. Okay, so minus 18 is equals to minus 18. In this example, you would get the exact same answer if you chose to eliminate B rather than A. Trying to do this would be a good way to make sure you understand how elimination works. That's all for this video. If you find this video useful, please hit the subscribe button below. It helps us help more people like you. If you want to know more about Phuket Pals, you can visit us at our Facebook page or you can call us at 081 417 0978.